If you're wondering how you can enable or disable the message notifications on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Messages app, then tap on it. Now, under the Messages settings, just tap on Notifications, and over here you can either allow or disable the notifications from your Messages app. Now, if you disable this toggle, you will disable the notifications from your Messages app, and if you enable this toggle, you will enable and receive notifications from the Messages app, just like that. Now, after you allow the notifications, under the Alert section, you can select where you want to show your notifications. If you want to show the notifications of the Messages app on your lock screen, just make sure you check this option. Also, if you want to see your Messages notifications in the Notification Center, just make sure you select this option too. And if you want to receive a banner as you receive a notification, so just check this option too. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.